Hello everyone, welcome back to see me in this video again in our channel. Please like this video, subscribe and join our channel family for further and more videos. So this video is about the laser hair removal at home. We are going to see some hair removal laser and IPL machines at home, especially that women are looking for nowadays because of the prices are rising from one dermatologist or one person to another one. So let's start our video with this introduction. Are at-home laser hair removal devices safe? So actually, doctors consider that at-home lasers are safe alternative to in-office treatment. So, like as they say here, at-home device works similarly to professional treatment, but use lower energy levels. They are more time consuming to use, but can help. Okay, so let's start with our first machine, which is Silkflash Go Express IPL laser hair removal system. Uh, we can find it with this price, $299 in Amazon. As you can see here, this is the type of the machine. Looks like this. By the way, it is shown that having three or 3,000 3,000 K pulses for years of use. Okay, the machine looks like this. Here is a video.
Hi, my name is Sandra and I'm from Silken. I'm here with Natalia and we're going to give you a quick lesson on how to use the Silken Flash and Go.
Okay, so here we have the second machine, BeautyHere Removal Laser 4X, which is 459 US dollar, which is I think the most expensive one. It is currently unavailable. Yeah, but we can see the item here. Looks like this. Okay, the next one is costing 190 or 89.99 at Amazon. Miss Mon Hair Removal Device. Okay, let's go back to it later. The next one is CozyL silk laser hair removal device, which costs about $90 here. We have also Brown Silk Expert Pro 3 permanent hair removal system, which costs $250. Actually, I am scrolling up and down because I have seen some text wishes here. As a high school graduation present, my mother gifted me with leather hair removal. It wasn't exactly average gift, but my father gave me his Cuban hair jeans, which made me laugh a lot. Well, you know where the story is going. Okay, so let's go back to our website. Amazon International, yeah. Permanent hair removal, maximum IPL hair removal for women and men. Here, as you can see, it is costing $199.99, so $200. Okay, so because of some internet problems, here we have Silk in Infinity, which is costing about $400 at Amazon. We have iMini IPL laser hair removal, which is for $199. You can see here that it is having 500 K pulses or flashes. Also, we have Mi Sleek permanent hair reduction device. Okay. Okay, so here we have the favorite machine for most of the people or most of the women's in general, men's in general. Here we have the Philips Lumia IPL hair remover, which is $478.99 at Amazon. Yeah, so is a big fan of the Lumia, which is in the high quality and as they say, particularly their hair removal and grooming function. We have Smooth Skin Pure IPL hair removal device, which is costing $397 at Best Buy. We will back to the website later. And also we have Clarity Home Eye Cells IPL laser hair removal green. Yeah. Also we have this one is a little bit cheaper than the another another devices which cost about 138.79 US dollar. Here we have BeautyHere hair removal, which is costing 329 US dollar. This is only for hard to reach areas. Okay, let's go back to see this to the country. Yeah, so the only send to these countries. Okay, no problem. Here we have our Illuminate Touch Permanent Hair Reduction System.